Hey GP learners, so you know I love my keyboards and I've got the latest offering from Epomaker, so this is one that I kick-started a while back. I've not had the opportunity to open it. I'm going to do that right now for you so we can take a look at it. It's a 96 key mechanical keyboard. There's some features on it that I've been really looking forward to. Let's have a look at it, shall we, as we tech enhance your primary care and learning. So as I said, I've got my Epomaker TH96 key keyboard. As you can see, this is it in the box, lovely purple colour and stuff. I'm going to open it for you and then get cracking with doing a proper review later down the line. So let's have a little look, shall we? So, there we go. Open it down. So again, I haven't opened this yet. I have taken the plastic off. Wow. Look at that. So we're going to take the covering off this. Take it out. So, nice. Okay, so it's got plastic film covering on it. As you can see, this is a fully fledged 96 key keyboard, and the reason why I like this so much, so it's got decent housing on it, nice big PBS keys, really cool. It's got this lovely little knob at the top. Yep, I'm looking forward to getting use of this and seeing how well it works. Interestingly, and I know I often mention this, that you don't need a numerical keyboard in practice, but having one could potentially be quite useful. And the reason why in particular I wanted to test this out is because I know that obviously using macro keys is something that I commonly recommend to people, things like using the StreamYard or the KeyQuick, that kind of stuff. But that may not be for everybody. So having one of these with the numerical keyboards that you can change to put different keycaps and stuff on to make it useful and stuff may be an alternative option for people that want to look at. So that's why I really wanted to test this. But also, this keyboard has pour-on foam in it, so it reduces the sound. Listen to that. That's so cool. What else do you get in the box? Well, let's have a little look. Pop that down. So you've got the box itself. You've got stuff underneath, as you can see here. So we've got a USB cable, got a keycap puller, got some spare keys by the looks of it. So things like, ooh, cool, that's quite cool. Wow. But numerical keys and what looks like a shopping cart button, some random other keys, the Mac keys and stuff. Ooh. YouTube play key. Oh, that looks cool. And we've got some extra switches as well. So that's everything that's in the box. So I'm really looking forward to testing this keyboard out. I'm going to be giving it a good go over the next few weeks. And if you want to check out my full review, have a look right here and join me to find out if this is possibly the best keyboard for general practice.